All right, everybody, we're continuing on lesson 3.1.3, and we are on problem 3-26. So Casey's back at it. Now she wants you to enlarge the block U for her spirit flag. So you're going to do letter A and read letter B and complete both of those in your notebook. For letter B, you can use either the fraction or you can use the decimal, whichever one you prefer. So press pause, do both A and B in your notebook, and then play when you're ready to move on. All right, hopefully you solved for the height of the new U as being 12 units. So now going on to letter C, find the ratio of the perimeters. That is, find the perimeter of the new U over the perimeter of the original U. And answer in your notebook, what do you notice? And if you can't remember what perimeter is, make sure you look it up for yourself. So while you divide those and answer that question in your notebook, press pause and then play when you're ready to move on. All right, moving on to letter D. It says, Casey enlarged U proportionally so that it has a height of 10. What was her zoom factor? What is the base of this new U? Justify your conclusion. So you're going to answer these questions in your notebook. One thing you might want to do in order to make it a little easier for you is to draw another letter U that has a height of 10. And then you can draw some arrows if that might be helpful. So answer the zoom factor, the base, and your justifications in your notebook. Press pause while you do that, and then play when you're done. So let's finish up 3-26 by just checking our answers here. So the first question asked, what was her zoom factor? So our original U has a height of 8, and the new U has a height of 10. So let's put that new height over the original height. Now you could have answered this by simply reducing that fraction and getting 5 over 4. Or if you wanted to divide those, you could have put 1.25, and both of those answers would be correct. So now we'll find what is the base of the new U. We know that our zoom factor is 1.25, and that has to be the same for all the sides. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have a base of 6. Let's do a better color. There we go. We have a base of 6. So now use our zoom factor to find the new base. So 6 times, and when we multiply those, we get 7.5. So now just make sure that your answer in your notebook has your justification written out for those answers.